I'm thinking it's a sign that the freckles in our eyes are mirror images, and when they kiss they're perfectly aligned. And I have to speculate that God himself did make us into corresponding shapes like puzzle pieces from the clay. And true, it may seem like a stretch, but it's thoughts like this that catch my troubled head when you're away, when I am missing you to death. When you're out there on the road for several weeks of shows, and when you scan the radio, oh, I hope this song will guide you home. They will see us waving from such great heights. Come down now, they'll say. Everything looks perfect from far away. Come down now, but we'll stay. I tried my best to leave this all on your machine, but the persistent beat sounded thin upon listening, and that frankly will not fly. You will hear the shrillest highs and lowest lows with the windows down as this is guiding you home. They will see us waving from such great heights. Come down now, they'll say. Everything looks perfect from far away. Come down now, we'll stay.